Hi my dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel as usual. So in this video episode we will talk about the lead pages, and actually I would love to prove you that you can build your landing page just in 10 or 15 minutes. So it works very simple, and that's why I'm making this tutorial video for you. I'm not a professional at this sphere, but to be honest, I want to be useful for you guys, and that's why I decided to make this video episode. So let's start our video about the lead pages. And remember, I'm waiting for your likes, I'm waiting for your shares, I'm waiting for your comments, and let's get down to our work just right now. So to begin with, what is lead pages? So actually lead pages is that service where you can create your landing page. Yep. So this is a landing page builder, I would say. Yep. And why do you need to use this service? It has many, I would say, pros, many advantages, and I would name 5 of them, just for example. Yep. So first of all, it has an impressive library of customizable templates, and lead pages has a huge library of editable templates for creating landing pages and other types of content. I would say the next one is, of course, conversion tools. In addition to creating landing pages, you can also create pop-ups and other boxes and then add them to your website, including WordPress websites, to generate more leads, of course. This is a reasonable advantage. The next one is, of course, modern page editor, and after a few seconds we will work with this editor. So whether you want to start from scratch and create your own unique landing page or customize one of the templates, I would say that the drag and drop builder makes the process as straightforward as it could be. You have right here split testing. So all of the lead pages have been built for high conversions, but you can also run your own tests to see which your design get the best response from the audience, to remove all of the guesswork from creating effective landing pages. And the last one for today is about the integration options, and this is also reasonable, I would say, because lead pages integrates with a wide range of third-party services, including payment processors, emailing, marketing tools, and social media advertising platforms, to name just a few. And let's start to observe the templates. Here we have landing page templates. Some templates have many sections, the other ones have not so many. It depends on the product. For example, we have single screen webinar, and let's check the preview. It has right here, we can show, it shows us basically a desktop version and mobile version. It has only one template. So what I can say, if the template has only 1, 2, 3 sections, sometimes it's enough, you know, to have some sections, and maybe the one landing page, if you will search in the internet. So actually some landing pages consist of only one section, so it's not a problem. If you would like to make more sections, so you may do this with the help of the editor. So actually this is for the desktop, and that's for mobile phone devices. So we will start our journey with this template. So the next step, you need to put a name for your landing page. So please don't judge me so strictly, because I don't know. That will be for an example. Let it be webinar. Webinar, but what webinar? Let it be psychology webinar. Yep. So this is actually the name, psychology webinar. Don't judge me so strictly. Once again, this is just for an example, and we continue our work with the editor. So we will work right now directly with the editor. And one thing I adore the most is that this editor on the lead pages is intuitive and is very easy to work with. You don't need to know some rules to read them, how to work with this editor, because it's very simple to be honest and user-friendly. And of course, once again, if you ask me how much does it cost, I mean about the lead pages, of course it has 3 plans, but you need to understand that you have a cool opportunity to start your journey with the lead pages with 14 days for trial period, and these days are for free, so you may start with them. And right now we will talk a little bit more about the editor, of course. So this is only one section right here. Here we have a lead meter, which rates actually the template, the landing page, is it good or not. Here on the left side we have tools, and these tools are you need to work with these tools, or you work directly with these elements right now on the panel, or you are working with the main tools. So the first one is layout. So basically layout shows us how many sections we have in the template. So if you would like to add a section, you may do this right here, or you may do this just right here. Talking about a hero, if we click directly to the section, we have a section style, content container, CTA, so it shows us what we have actually, yep. And of course, clicking directly to the section style, we may play around with all this stuff, with all the settings. If you think that actually one section it's not enough for this template, so you may add to the other one. For example, contact us form, yep. Or for example, a hero, or for example, text blocks, for example. I say too much, for example, I'm really sorry. Okay, testimonials, it may be, so just like here, we can add testimonials. So once again, and actually our customers love us, and we have basically 2 sections. If you think you would love to add the other one, let it be contact us form, yep. So in case if you have any questions, so you need to locate it directly right here. So this is drag and drop editor, and you simply drag and drop each element, yep. And let's start right now our journey, I would say, with the design of the template, because these templates, which are on the lead pages, they are standard, but you may redesign them in that way that you will make this template different than the standard one. So, first of all, as usual, I advise you to change all the fonts, all the text blocks, all the text in this landing page, because you need to fill your personal content, your scenario, I would say, yep, and all the widgets. All the widgets, I mean images, backgrounds, photographs, everything, yep, all the buttons, so because you need to redesign this template. And talking about the background, I would love to add the another picture. So clicking directly to the bottom of add the picture, yep. Here we see picture that I was using in my previous the projects, or you can buy a premium images, but they are not for free, or you may upload a picture from your laptop. But to be honest, we can use, for example, this picture, and let's check how it will be. Okay, I see that it's good. Okay, we can do just change actually a position. Yeah, how it looks like 75%, 50%, 19 or full. I don't like, but to be honest, full it's also good, but let's save 90% of the background, yep. So the next one, we can add a color overlay, yep. So the color may be white, maybe gray, it depends on, but you just need to actually do it simply right here. Okay. and you may play around with with the color, how you see. Okay, let it be, let's say for warm color. Yep, and that's actually, I guess that it's pretty cool. The next one, we are talking about these forms. Yep, so what we can do with these forms. Okay, just we have the spacer, yep, or a content. Of course, we can add to the image, we can change the color. So what if the color will be just right here, or it will be white? Okay, and what if this white color will be, once again, oh, I have cool, okay, so just maybe like here, yep, and the last one we can change the position. So yep, you can see that you may play around with all these text blocks, with all of these forms. Oh, just wait a second. It also should be bold. And what if we, well, locate everything, yeah, just right here. So what I can say, people, you need to play around with all these fonts, colors, because it's very important. You need to make your variant different than the other one. So you may do this everything in bold, but okay, I guess it's not enough. So first of all, talking about these content settings, about this form, first of all, I would love, to be honest, add a color, maybe just like this one, yeah, and let it be just, okay, just like here, yeah, because, okay. And right now it looks better. I guess that it looks better, first of all. And here, once again, we will play around with all these forms, with all this stuff, I would say, yeah. Okay, so basically that's how it works, how you can play around with all these cool things. Oops, once again. Johnson. Okay. And save me spot. So by the way, you can change the bottom, you can change the color to the red one, the text, of course. For example, you may play around with the size of the text. You can change to the font, to the roboto. It's just for an example to show you all, and just make it rounded and in this way. So basically that's how I changed the first section. Yep. The next section, well, we can say just like here, we may add to the other pictures of the other people. You may add, actually you may change the font. If we change the font, just like, not the font, the background. If we will change the background of the section testimonials, section style, I would love to change the color and let it be like this one. Yep. And what I can say, let it be just like here, kind of, once again, because it's too bright, I would say. Yeah, so we can literally make it, okay, just like here. And basically that's how you should play around with all these forms. And the next one, yep, all the same. If you see that you would like to add some changes to this, so you simply play around till that decision that you see that exactly you need to this template. And let's check the preview. how it looks like. We will see the preview for the desktop version, for tablet version, and for mobile phone devices. And right now you can see that that's my template, that I made. Actually redesign it, and actually we can publish. So I just wanted to prove you all that you can just in 10 minutes create your personal landing page. That's for the desktop, that's for the tablet version, and it's also very I would say pretty nice, and that's for mobile devices. So people, this is the end of this video episode. In case of any questions, if you have them, write me please on comments. All the useful information will be in the description, and see ya in another video episode. Wish me good luck, and see ya. Bye.